Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this session, we will discuss about the merging and consolidation of accounts. Right. The topic is as a subtopic of our ongoing bank statement, a Meezan bank statement, which we converted in three steps from PDF to Excel automated uh, uh, scenario in which you have the ledger facility also. It means you select any ledger account, any account on which the bank transactions are listed. So it can list down all the transactions which are having your desired ledger posting. Hey, so often it is necessary. This is a normal situation when you work in Excel or any other system, and you have the chart of account. Some duplicate accounts or closely related accounts are needed to be merged or consolidated so that yeah, you can analyze the uh, the different transactions uh, and summarize them uh, in a single caption. So uh, to show you that, let's start and see. We have this facility, uh, the ledger posting, right? And we have our previous picture of Amjad account was like this, right? There are so many accounts were related into it. The total was 306,100. Yeah, 306,100 was the total, was the previous total. Then what we did that we merged all these different accounts into one. Because one party can have more than one account, and you want to merge them through the account amalgamation or consolidation, right? So what we did is that we analyzed it and we posted them into a single account. And how to do this posting, we are going to show you. This is our today's topic, right? So the total should remain the same, 306,000. Now, all the accounts, all the amounts are now appearing in a single account, not different account. Previously, it was showing so many different accounts, but since it is the common party, so it should be clubbed into the single account, right? So we have done it and on our part, and we sure where we have seen it that totals are matching in both. This is 306,100 in a previous picture of this account. And now, if we see the ledger, so all are posted to a single account, and the total is still that. Okay. So what we do now is that let's take another account like Jazz, JASS. Okay. So Jazz is also such account in which there are different payments for different numbers. These are the mobile numbers and for which the payments have been done, right? So we do not want to create so many accounts, uh, and they should all be clubbed into the Jazz payment, right? And so what we do is, and also the reverse, if there is a reversal from the Jazz, and so the description will tell that what is the other details of this reversal, and it should be there. So all should go into one account, that is Jazz account, right? Jazz or Mobilink are the same thing, right? Okay. So the first thing we do is we go to the account logic, and this is the account logic, and we will search for the Jazz in here, right? So Jazz is the yeah is the common name, right? Okay, Jazz is always appearing. That's why we took the Jazz, right? So this cover. So we want to merge all of these into the single account. No? So here is the uh, utility of this in string column. You can see these are so many in string columns, right? So here we put one thing in here, okay? So and the account name will be Jazz or Mobilink, right? Jazz and Mobilink. Okay, for example, or you can give any name, okay? Now for the rest of them, here you will keep putting this thing in here, right? And you can also say it, for example, you can remove uh, or say prepaid or you can make sure that you don't remove this space, right? This is otherwise Excel will start its own unnecessary activity to convert it, and it will remove the zero. Okay, so or we can use an apostrophe in here. Right? That's also a way not to lose the preceding zero, right? So this is it. Okay, so this is one of the string which you want to qualify for the Jazz Mobile. Okay, and what and here also you can use the same thing. For example, you can remove this part, right? Okay, and what else? These are the two things, and the third is you can use this one. Control C. Okay, you put it here. So all such entries having these things into they are going to be clubbed into the account that is Jazz Mobile. Okay, so we will remove all these things from the account logic, and we have removed it. Okay, the next thing we do is that we do the same thing in here as well in the master list. So let's say yes, all these things here. So we we bring that name right from here to so that I'm using it this procedure just to make sure that we do not make any mistake in when. So press F9 here to bring that thing into here, and we copy this into here. Yeah, that's it. So that would cause some error. I mean some so as soon as we remove all these things, the zeros will go away. Okay, so we will delete it. As soon as we delete it, you will find that there's discrepancies. Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about that. And we now clear the filter and we run the step 3 to see what happens to Jazz once the step 3 completes. Right. So it should now bring all the Jazz counts into one account. All the Jazz transactions clubbed into one account, right? Okay, so let's see, is there any discrepancy? No discrepancy, right? Okay, no discrepancy. And now we go to the ledger and we try to see, we run the ledger, right? 20, and you would see 28,650 was total, and everything, including the reversal, they all are coming in the common account. So this is called consolidation and merging, right? And this will make an additional advantage for you is that your list, account list will be shortened considerably. Removing all the duplicate entries like this. There are some duplicate entries, so you can merge them together, right? You can merge them together, and so you can also make sure that if there is any account that is totally zero in both cases, right? For example, the debit is zero, no? We can remove these also. If the debit is zero and the credit is also zero, so all of these accounts, if we remove them, it will shorten your list. So time to time, the accounts, different accounts are no more required. So you can just remove them. So this way you are actually uh, uh, making your list compact, and unwanted accounts are removed. Now you have only 65, right? Previously 100 accounts were there. Now it's only 65 accounts, right? And you can try more. For like a Waqar Pharmacy is actually a part of Waqar Supermarket. So as a homework, you can try doing it of your own, like consolidate them, and the total should become 16,722. Yeah, integer, right? And this is how that like Zen market. These are the two. Well, so if both are the same, so why not uh, merge these two totals into one account, Zen market? Okay. So this is how you make your GL account master list compact, and also your account logic is also simplified, and and the system is also certified. So is also, but there will be no change in the length of this because the records will be there. These are the transactions will remain the same. Only if the account uh, will be changed, like this gas mobile link now appearing against anything related to the gas. This is a gas mobile device. So this is how we consolidate the uh, different closely related or duplicate accounts into one account. This is called account merging or consolidation or amalgamation, whatever the name you give. But this is a normal practice which is frequently required by the Excel people or the people who are working in any database environment. So the accounts do open, and then time to time you have the requirement to merge these accounts into one, right, for the simplicity, for the readability, for improving the efficiency of the system. Okay, thank you very much for watching.